Do you know you can develop a research topic using AI very easily? Are you a beginner looking for how to develop a research topic? Then keep on watching this video. The first thing to do is to ask yourself what your research interest is. What is that topic, that module, or that course that you took as an undergraduate that really sparked your interest, or that you found it very easy to pass or very easy to study about? This is where I would advise that you focus your interest on, because it will be easy for you to navigate. And even if you decide to change your area of interest in the future, that is totally fine. Let's say I'm interested in obesity. And what is it about obesity that I'm interested in? I want to look at non-pharmacological treatments for diabetes. Now that you've come up with a vague area of interest, the next thing you do is to go to your Google browser, type in published papers on XYZ, and XYZ is that vague area that you've come up with. Let's say published papers on non-pharmacological treatments for diabetes. Okay, so this is going to bring out different papers for you. Make sure you're not searching for anything below the previous year. So it's between papers published this year when you're currently watching this video and the year before. Go through the topics, look for anyone that you're interested in, open that person's work, copy the topic and copy the abstract, paste this on any AI software you're using, and ask it to give you another research gap from this topic. So what you're trying to do is that you're interested in this person's topic. You don't want to research exactly what they have researched. You don't want to do exactly what they've done. ChatGPT can look at any other research gap inside that topic and develop it for you. Some people, when they write their papers, they also leave room for other researchers to continue researching that paper. So ChatGPT can identify this gap for you and use it to build a new topic for you. You can tell the AI you're using to develop 2 or 3 topics using research gaps from this topic or this research that you have supplied to it. Now you can simply pick out the one that interests you. How would you know if you can do this? Also, you can ask the AI you are using to write out the research methodology for this topic. This gives you an insight to know if you can collect data for this research, if you can identify your subject or the samples that you need, and if you can also analyze the data for this research. Once it has developed a preliminary methodology for you, read through it and ask yourself if this is something you can do within the time frame that you have. Because as a student, your research can have a time frame. They can give you 3 months, 6 months, a year, as much as 4 years to do your research. So you need to ensure that you have enough time to conduct this research. Once you've done that, go ahead and develop a research proposal. And if you're looking for how to develop a good research proposal and very easily using AI, make sure you check out my next video for that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what other video you'd like to see on this channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.